Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Dear students, in previous session we have studied about solid shapes, which are also called 3D figures, and I have given you certain work for writing in which we have written edges, faces and vertices of solid shapes. Today we are here to understand how to count number of edges, number of faces and number of vertices of these 3D figures, that is three-dimensional figures, right? So as in previous class we have studied that cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, triangular pyramid and square pyramid. We have studied about these shapes, and then I have sent you this table in which we have written number of edges, number of faces and number of vertices which these 3D figures they have. Today let's understand how to count it. My dear kids, as that day we have written number of edges in a cube are 12. Number of faces 6 and number of vertices are 8. So dear kids, just understand these are the edges of a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So it has 12 edges. Faces, upper one, lower one, front 3, back side 4 and both the side 2, 6. And number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? Now we have also studied that number of edges, faces and vertices in cube and cuboid are same. So in cuboid also number of edges are 12, number of faces 6 and number of vertices are 8. Here I have an example of a cuboid. Let's understand by using this box how to count the number of edges, vertices and faces. So dear kids, number of edges in a cuboid are 1, 2, 3, 4, same downside 5, 6, 7 and backside 8, right? Then 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these 12 edges it has. Number of faces are 6. So upper 1, lower 2, front 3, back 4, this side 5 and this side 6. It has 6 faces and all 6 faces are flat. They are rectangular, right? And the number of edges are 8, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can find number of examples of cuboid in your house. Different type boxes you might have. You might have a brick on which you can count number of edges, faces and vertices. Even to count the number of edges, faces and vertices of a cube, you can take a dice which you people used to play. Ice cube. May a small box is there which is a spherical, the shape of cube, on which you can try or practice to count number of edges, faces and vertices. Then in cone we have understand that cone has one edge, that is this. This is the edge of a cone, this part which we have done. This is the edge of a cone. So cone has one edge. Number of faces in cone are 2. This is one face and the other face is circular here, right? So it has 2 faces. One is a flat face and another face is a circular face, right? And number of vertices. Vertices is a plural form. Singular form is vertex. It has only one vertex. So in cone we have one edge, 2 faces and one vertex. Now let's understand about cylinder, right? Now number of edges in cylinder are 2. This downside, this is one edge, upper side, this is one edge. So it has 2 edges. Dear kids, please do not get confused. These are not edges. this part remains circular. For example, if people have a tin at home, this is an example of a cylinder. So it has two edges, this upper one edge and lower it is one edge. This side are not straight, it is circular, round, right? So which are the edges? It has two edges. This is one edge and downside this is one edge. So it has two edges. Now number of faces in number of faces in cylinder are 3. This is one face which is flat, downside this is second face which is flat, and third one is a circular face. So it has 3 faces. And number of vertices or number of vertex is 0. It has no vertex. So it has 0 vertex. Vertex is a corner where 2 line segment meet each other, right? So cylinder has 3 faces, from which this 1 and 2 are flat, 1 is circular. It has 2 edges, this is one, this is another one, and it has no vertex, no corners, right? Now here a question comes about triangular pyramid. Now it is not available with me, so I cannot show you on it. Just understand it on the figure, right? So triangular pyramid, how many edges it has? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and this one 6. So it has 6 edges. Number of faces in cone are, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and behind 1 they are 4. And number of vertices also are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it has 6 edges, 4 faces, and 4 vertices. Let's count the number of edges, faces, and vertices of a square pyramid, right? So square pyramid has number of edges 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, right? 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it has 8 edges. Number of faces are 1, 2, 3, behind 1 that is 4, and downside 1 that is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number of faces in square pyramids are 5, and number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Now what is missing? Sphere. Let's add it downside. S-P-H-E-R-E. Examples of sphere are balls which you people have. You can take any ball. You can take cricket ball, you can take TT ball, you can take football, volleyball, or basketball, anything. I have a cricket ball with me, right? So if we have to understand the edges of a ball, it has no edge because it is entire circular. It has no edge. So it has 0 edge. When we talk about the faces of a sphere, it has one face which is circular, right? It has one face, and there is no question about vertices or vertex in a sphere. So it has 0 vertex, right? Hope you people have understood how to count number of edges, faces, and vertices of these 3D figures. If you have not understood, go through video once more or twice. Still if you don't understand, not to worry. When you come to the school, I'll explain you again everything practically, where we'll have activity how to count number of edges, faces, and vertices of 3D figures. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Remain at home. Take care of yourself and be safe. Thank you. Good day.